My Uncle Forrest taught me this song, and I miss him a lot. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, with an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, no place to go. Out on runway number 9, big 707 said to go, but I'm stuck here on the grass, where that cold wind blows. Now the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. Well, there she goes, my friend, she's rolling out at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see that silver bird on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where that morning rain don't fall, and the sun, it always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It ain't no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I may be. You can't jump in no jet plane like you can an old freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain, and I best be on my way in that early morning rain. Go something like that. Love you guys.